Hello people, Kevin, Thailand here. And today, we are in Thailand. We're definitely in Thailand. We are at, where are we at? We're between Phetchabun and Phetchabun. If you come from Phetchabun and come through and follow to Phetchabun, you'll go through the mountain, and on top of the mountain is Pa Sak River. I've not done temples. I'm not religious, really temples aren't. But every now and again one comes along that is a little bit special. Let me show you. Let me just show you where I am. I'm on top of the mountain, top of the world. And just behind me are the little cafeteria here. And we're going to go through into the Pa Sak River. It's amazing. But the area, just the area that we're at, is amazing. So let's go and have a look at this temple. It is absolutely astounding. Right, it's a little bit warm up here. It's very warm up here. But when you come out of the restaurant, the rest area, here, this is Pa Sak River on top of the mountain. We'll have a little look around. I've come a long way, it's like 700 kilometres. Just wanted to get away from Pattaya for the weekend. It's a 5-day holiday, Thai holiday here. So we've come away for the weekend, just driving around in the countryside really. We went to Karat and a natural park that I will show you some on the way back. I'll put that on. But here, I had to stop to show. It's absolutely amazing. Oh no! Damn! I brought it as well. I did. I brought the drone. They won't let you. They won't let you near the place with it. They said, "We've seen you flying it, Kevin. No chance." Which is a shame. Oh, shoes off. Hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to take your shoes off. Have a feast of that. That is amazing. And up here also is a massive viewing area. I don't think you get better views than that though. If you can see the people, you can get an idea how big this is. The whole place is amazing. And standing on the edge, the viewing platform here, everywhere you look, it's just astounding. This is real Thailand, without a doubt. Although Pattaya's nice. Tell you, the monks have got some nice condos over there, haven't they? Bit of living area, quarters. They're doing well. Wow. And over here we'll be going, the temple here. But I want some photos, so let me just... So we've come from this side and we're now to this side into the temple at Pa Sak River. And it is absolutely amazing. I don't know how high we are up here in the mountain. The floors are cold. But this place, I mean, I've travelled a long way. I haven't travelled to here. I've just wanted to get away for the weekend, have a look around the countryside and drive around. And as I say, it's done 700 kilometres so far. But this has just made it worth it. It really has. It really has. And we're on a peak here, so both sides have excellent views. And it is a bit windy up here, so I'm sure if you're getting any wind noise, there really isn't a lot I can do about that at the moment. There will be one day, is that in Thailand you can't get anything. Really having a nose around to show you. I'm not coming all this way and not. Coming into the mate. But it is so ornate, everything, all the walls are, they spend billions of bahts on these, but they've really stretched it on this one. That's not the thumbnail. I think this is the highest we can come up here, but how much more can you want? That's amazing, absolutely amazing. Well, that is what, let's get some light on the subject, that's what Pa Sak River, it's Phetchabun, and it's between Phetchabun and follow the road out, it's the motorway goes right up through the mountain to Phetchabun. You won't miss the temple. Anyway, it's a short one. If you like me little vlog here, I've come 700 kilometres to do it for you. Give me a like, a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe. I'm going to be doing a little bit more travelling around, but it won't be for a little while. But I will be travelling around some more. All right, thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye bye.